All right, we're gonna put our hands together for a group that started back in the 60s, singing like so many groups back then did. They have performed with and practiced with and played with the likes of the Temptations, the OJs, the Sound of Philadelphia, the Ohio Players, and many, many more. They've been back together for the last 2 years. We want you to put your hands together for the band and for the group members, the original group members of the Soul Devalents Force of Nature.
You know I love you. Thank you. Philadelphia. A little bit of Chicago. When I'm with I'm having a good time already.